Hi, I'm Brianna Flores, and our topic is global warming. So, what is global warming? Global warming is the long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature. This warming trend has been going on for a long time. Its pace has been significantly increasing over the past 100 years due to the burning of fossil fuels. The excess heat in the atmosphere caused the average global temperature to rise over time, otherwise known as global warming. What is the controversy surrounding global warming? The global warming controversy is an ongoing dispute about the effects that humans have on the global climate and what policies should be implemented to avoid the possible undesirable effects of global warming. Why is global warming a topic of interest? Global warming is one of the most devastating problems humanity has ever faced, and our time for change is running out.
The biggest factor of global warming is climate change. Climate change is very crucial to the environment, leading to severe weathers, causing record-breaking rainfalls and extreme winds. In drier areas, global warming can cause frequent droughts and longer fire seasons. So as the temperature is rising, it can also cause mosquitoes to expand their territories and bring more deadly diseases to us, such as Zika, yellow fever, and malaria, and dozens more. Climate change can't only affect us above ground, it can also affect us in the ocean. So as the water is getting warmer, ice sheets and glaciers will melt, which will expand our ocean, which will cause sea level to rise, that can also cause damage to our coastal communities. Global warming in our environment is a real issue that we face today, and it's only going to get stronger as the years goes on. Thank you.
Leslie Martinez, and I'll be talking about how global warming affects humans. Global warming is the biggest global health threat of the 21st century, and it impacts all of us. As temperatures strike, so does the increase of illnesses and diseases. Illnesses such as malaria, Rift Valley fever, and yellow fever, which are all caused by tremendous amounts of flooding and drought. High heat temperatures can also cause hundreds of heat-related deaths, such as heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and cardiovascular and kidney diseases. Air pollution is also a big problem, especially for the ones who suffer with asthma or cardiac and pulmonary diseases. Therefore, global warming has a high impact on humans.
Hi, my name is Ryan Kolmakai, and I'm here to talk to y'all about global warming and its effect on animals. The basic deal is our sea levels are rising, our oceans are becoming warmer, droughts are becoming more severe, and which is affecting our crops, damaging our freshwater supply, as well as our wildlife. From marine sea turtles in Africa to polar bears in the Arctic, all wildlife is being affected by climate change. One small example of that is our North American and Canadian moose. These moose are being affected by milder winters, which results in less snow, which results in an uptick in parasite population. These parasites feed on the moose's blood, which eventually kills them. It especially affects calves. Urgent action has never been more needed than the present. The greenhouse gases is acting like a blanket around our planet, and the thicker this blanket gets, the warmer it gets. Thank you for listening.
Global warming is one of the biggest challenges humanity faces. It cannot be stopped but can be slowed. We can live in a greener, pollution-free society if the world can just follow these set of simple solutions. Number 1 is to switch to renewable resources such as wind or solar power from fossil fuels like coal and oil that are polluting our environment. 2 is to reduce the level of water waste to save water. 3 is to switch to electric vehicles completely because they are more energy efficient and cost efficient. 4 is recycle all waste. And 5 is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 6, protect all forests from deforestation and degradation. Global warming is an ongoing threat society is facing along with future populations. All it takes is a few changes to how we live and we'll be looking at a potentially better outcome of the world.
Earth-orbiting satellites and many other technological advances have enabled scientists to see the big picture, collecting many different types of information about our planet and its climate on a global scale. This body of data collected over many years reveals the signals of a changing climate. During the next few decades and beyond, global warming is expected to cause further increases in atmospheric moisture content, more extreme heat waves, further melting of mountain glaciers and ice sheets, and further rises in sea levels. These effects are going to be irreversible.